Hi, I am from Innovative Instruments and Controls, Assistant Sales Manager Karthikeyan. We are in this field since from 2014. Actually, we are giving industrial automation solutions in LT control panels, VFD control panels, PLC panels, SCADA panels. Also for your existing retrofit and replacement projects also, we can support you for if any PLC programming or site visit required to modification or retrofit any of electrical panels till up to 690 volts for electrical panels, and PLC and SCADA we are doing not only here in India, we are doing in our overseas also. We have some of our few clients and customers are fully satisfied till up to now our service. So please try to visit our E24A today and tomorrow. Thank you.